In this review, we will dive deep into Keap's features, pricing, and user experience, helping you decide if it's CRM solution you've been searching for. So to get started with the Keap's features, what is Keap itself? Keap CRM itself. Keap CRM is your business digital assistant for customer relationship. It's a central hub for strong customer details, tracking interaction, and nurturing leads from hello to sale. Beyond that, Keap is a penthouse for sales and marketing automation. It sends automated emails, creates targeted campaign, and simplifies email marketing. In short, Keap CRM help you manage customers and grow your business in one place for you. And here are the top benefit of Keap CRM. So which are all-in-one solution for small business, and also a streamlined sale process which help you keep or empower you to organize and automate your entire sale process from initial lead capture to close deal. And also we have this powerful marketing automation where help you create and execute targeted email marketing campaign effortlessly and set up automated workflow based on customers' behavior, ensuring that the leads receive the right message at the right time. Also, it offer this intuitive landing page builder which help you design a professional looking landing page to capture leads and drive conversion. Even if you have no coding experience, Keap drag and drop interface make it easy to create a stunning page that align with your brand. And also offer you this one of the top benefit, which is the enhanced sales campaign. Enhanced sales campaign help you plan and execute impactful sales campaign with Keap powerful tools, targeted specific audience, personalized messages, and track results to optimize your reach. And here are the key important and here are the pros and cons about this platform. So understanding the strength and the weakness of any tools crucial before making a decision. So let's explore to the pros and cons of Keap to help you make an informed choice. So talking about the pros, offer this automating tasks, save time, and also how features are in one place, sales scales with your business, and also offer a user-friendly design and a top-notch support. So talking about the downside of this platform, which is the com, some features are complex, it's pricey, and a fewer integration. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section if this Keap CRM happens to be what you might need. And that's it.